Advertisers are also making adjustments based on what took place yesterday. Advertisers have pulled commercials around news coverage of the attempted coup at U.S. Capitol. I don't know if it's officially a coup. I guess anything involving the storming of a government building could be somewhat classified as such. The reason that this is interesting to us is because obviously we produce content, we talk about subjects, and we survive based on ad revenue in one form or another. And we've seen this happen in the past where you will have some unsavory political situation or violent situation or, even COVID when it first, just crisis, let's say. Mm-hmm. A crisis is usually not great for those of us that rely on ad revenue because advertisers get nervous and they say, we don't want to be associated with just the general sentiment of things going on right now. Mm-hmm. And so this is crazy. I actually found in this article, there was a period of time there where Fox News stopped airing commercials altogether at 1:30 p.m. yesterday. Oh. So everybody just put them on pause. They said, we don't want to be a part of it. Now, some of the experts and some of the salespeople and some of the various advertising executives have said, no. It's okay. You could be attached to the crisis stuff. Don't bail. But it hasn't worked. Advertisers are just really sensitive about this. And I understand it because you think about the sentiment of buying a product or service. You want to be in a kind of good mood, man. You don't want to have these subconscious associations between some crisis that you're seeing and the terror associated with it and the product or service. Those companies never want that association to exist in your mind, even if it's subconscious. So I get where they're coming from. I don't know if it's going to impact us in any way, but the source here, as part of this Business Insider article, is seeming to indicate that this pause button for the next 48 hours, maybe longer, is likely not just to affect the linear programming on cable television, but also social media and also places like YouTube, where we happen to be at the moment recording this and publishing this. So we'll see how long it goes on for, but I kind of get it, and it's a consequence and an outcome that many might not imagine takes place at first glance. They see this stuff happening in public. I'm not saying it's the most important thing either. You're probably not thinking of buying things if you believe there's a crisis taking place. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
so
it goes hand in hand.
That's important to note. Like, I'm not saying it's bigger than the thing, but it is just this kind of collateral, downstream, one more version of Elon's domino effect. Yeah.